In today's Minute with Craig, we're going to cover the Fire Another Long-Term Goals project. Here's your chance to use Reddit for good in the world. Wish you luck. So what we're going to do is basically, I asked 10 financial planners what students need to know about retirement. And I braved into the Fire subreddit and came up with some really meaningful answers and conversations, and it was fun. But that led me to the idea of you learning more about this. So the FIRE movement is early retirement, and the thing about those people is they're super savers, all right? Most people save between 5 and 15% of their income. Super savers are gonna save 15 to 50% of their income, some even 60 or 70. I want you to explore this a little bit. So here's how we're doing it. Number one, if I gave you $2 million, what does that mean to you? What do you do with that? You're gonna spend it, you're gonna save it. How do you build a philosophy around that $2 million? That's number two, use ChatGPT. Go nuts. Do whatever you want here to solve the question. Use Excel. I'm asking you a mathy question about time value of money. I ask it again in number three, and then I ask you to think about the differences in your answers. All right? It's an important conversation. I don't care as much about the math as I do your outcome. And then last but not least, you're going to jump on over to Reddit, and you're going to go in their early retirement subreddit. And I want you to read a post or two and then share with me your takeaways, right? What do you think about the super savers? There's some strengths, there's some cons. Maybe you want to be one. Maybe you think they're weird. Tell me all about it in question 5. That's it. It's a fun project. Your takeaway here is very meaningful. I hope this inspires you to save a little bit earlier than you would have. I'm excited to see what you have to say.